So I have a patient here that I'm doing a second hair restoration because he was completely no hair, even though he's young. He's only 25 years old. So I have done one hair transplant 1 year ago because patient lost everything in the hairline, the frame of his face, the mid-scalp and all. And he is not on any medication, came back again to do a second hair transplant, which I agree with him because the hair that I'm going to put for him is permanent. So again, more hair from the permanent donor area is going to be filled up this area, so you don't have to depend on medication so much, and therefore he's going to have more hair here, and he's got a long journey ahead him with much confidence because of the hair that he's gained back again. So congrats to you because you are really actually invest this whole hair in yourself so that you get your confidence back, and I fully agree with you what you're doing today again for the second hair transplant.